We are just at the start of a new school session, and I hope your first week has been both exciting and energizing. But today I have a special message for you, the school owner who has chosen to walk the path of legacy, especially in an age where profitability has led so many others down the path of compromise. The truth is, the Ummah can have no future without people like you. I know the pressure that comes with being different, especially when compromise has become the norm in our society, especially when your school isn't yet gaining the traction you hoped for. At times, it may feel as though you are not making progress, but just like the Chinese bamboo tree, your roots are being established, and in due time, you will thrive by Allah's mercy. And for those who may have already compromised, let me remind you, legacy and profitability are not mutually exclusive. You don't have to choose one or the other. You can build legacy and still be profitable. Yes, profitability has a price, but that price does not include compromising your deen, your values, or your ethics. As Muslims, we must understand this. True profitability means making profits here without sacrificing our hereafter. As you balance your books, remember this, your records with Allah must also be balanced. You are not just running a school, you are stewarding Allah's amana. You are not just eating KPI, you are building the legacy for the akhirah. The future of the Ummah rests on the quality of education we give our children today. Yes, that includes Western education. Because while these kids may be just a fraction of our population right now, they are 100% of our future. So as you've just resumed this new session, remember, it isn't just about reopening your gates, it's about reopening heart and mind to the transformational work that you do every single day. You are shaping the future of the Ummah, one child at a time. And I'm rooting for you to uphold your standard, to honor your amana, and choose to run a truly profitable legacy school.